Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to post on a Google Classroom as a student. So first, just simply go to your Google Classroom and you can just simply go join class. Just simply provide the class code. So you could just simply ask your teacher for the class code and just simply select join. Now guys, in order for you to post, as you can see, just simply go for the stream over here on the top, and you should be able to announce something to your class over here using your own name. So let's say I'm gonna go for hello guys. So this is just for an example, and after that you can just simply select post, and from here guys, everyone should be able to see this post from all of the students that are here on the classroom as well. And that's simply about it. That's how to post on Google Classroom as a student. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching guys. See ya.